morning and welcome to the shop. Today I'll be doing my first video ever on how I built this workbench top. It's southern yellow pine for an 8-foot workbench I'm building to replace this table that I've been using as a workbench. And we'll see how this whole video thing works out. So follow along and have fun. Let's get started. I started by jointing one edge straight on each board. That helped everything feed through the table saw. After all the boards are ripped in half on the table saw, I had to smooth all the sides to get them ready for the glue-ups. This was way too many boards to glue up at once. I ended up doing the rest of the top in 3 more sections. Before I did the final assembly, I planed down the really high spots with a scrub plane. This helped everything get aligned during the final glue up. I smoothed the edges again to make sure there wouldn't be any gaps after the glue up. Once everything is glued and dry, the only thing left is planing. Lots of planing. And then even more planing. After I get the rough spots taken down with a scrub plane, I switch to number 8 jointer plane. The number 8 is good for flattening the top since it's so long and wide. After the number 8, I switched back to a shorter plane to smooth the bench out even more. Once you think you're done planing, check the top with a straight edge, or in this case the edge of my plane. You'll probably have more work to do. Also, I'm flattening the bottom of the bench top first, since that's what I'll actually use to measure the rest of the bench against. After the top is flat and smooth, I cut off one end square. Then I measured 8 feet and cut the top to length. I used several passes with a circular saw, but you could do it by hand instead. Well, there you have it. That's how I built my workbench top. Thanks for following along to the end of the video. Again, like and subscribe for next time so that you don't miss the leg video or the whole assembly if you like what you saw. This whole thing is really inspired by a lot of other YouTubers out there, biggest one being Third Coast Craftsman and Paul Sellers as well. These videos over here, definitely check those out. They're great and really helpful if you're building your own bench. Until next time.